In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and make the most out of Canva Pro, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a creative enthusiast, a small business owner, or someone who's simply looking to enhance your design capabilities, Canva Pro can significantly streamline your projects. Let's dive in and explore how you can get started with Canva Pro today. To begin your Canva Pro journey, you have several options. You could start by signing up for a 30-day free trial, a great way to test out everything Canva Pro has to offer without any initial commitment. Additionally, if you are involved in education or work with a non-profit organization, Canva provides specialized access tailored to your needs, something definitely worth exploring. Furthermore, if you're already part of Canva teams, you can make a seamless transition to Canva Pro with ease. Once you've enjoyed the benefits of the free trial and you're convinced of its value, it's time to consider subscribing to a more permanent plan. On the Canva homepage, navigate to the plans and pricing section. Here you'll find a variety of options designed to suit different needs and budgets. For those eligible, you will notice an option labeled Get 30-Day Free Trial. This is your golden ticket to start experiencing Canva Pro without yet reaching for your wallet. Once you click on the trial option, simply follow the straightforward prompts to initiate your trial period. You'll have the choice between a solo subscription, ideal for independent users, or a team subscription, which could be perfect if you're collaborating with colleagues or friends. As you approach the end of your trial period, or if you find that you're not eligible for a free account, you'll need to look at subscribing to Canva Pro. Again, head to the plans and pricing area to make your choice. Depending on your preference and budget, you can select between a monthly or yearly plan. Each plan provides different benefits, so choose the one that best aligns with your anticipated usage. Do consider the annual subscription if you plan on using Canva Pro extensively. It often comes at a reduced rate compared to a month-to-month arrangement. Once you've selected the plan that's right for you, you'll need to finalize your subscription with a payment method. Canva supports a range of payment options to accommodate your convenience, making this final step a breeze. And there you have it, from trial to subscription, you've now learned how to confidently navigate your way into using Canva Pro. Enjoy the enriched features and creative fluidity that comes with this powerful tool and elevate your designs with ease. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.